Hello everyone. Today, our topic is 5 ways to make money online, or in other words, MMO, a term coined by the community that represents the freedom to earn money, financial freedom, and most importantly, freedom of time. So, make sure to watch until the end to discover the 5 most popular ways to make money online right now. Also, if you find this video interesting and helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel to watch more exciting videos about the abundant MMO market, helping you earn extra income long-term and steadily improve over time. Thank you. Before we dive into the topic, I want to highlight a few important points. 1. MMO means making money online. So, if you see someone bragging about how much money they make, it's obvious that they have worked hard for many years or at least invested money in acquiring knowledge, experience, and skills to achieve that success. Of course, luck may also play a role. So don't rush. Remember, anything that makes money is both an opportunity and carries risks, too. Before thinking about making money online, I hope you understand the core issue, which is, money can be made or lost, but experience, knowledge, and skills last forever. 3. Taking MMO courses. You can join online money-making courses on various platforms, but keep in mind, when someone finds a gold mine, the first thing they want is not to let others know about it. So, be cautious and think carefully before making your decision. 4. Financial freedom and financial pressure. When you choose the path of financial freedom, you will face financial pressure right from the start. I hope you understand this and choose your strengths wisely. Don't follow the crowd, because until you reach the final point, you won't know who is right. Top 1. Affiliate marketing. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Simply put, you promote other people's products, and if someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to stock products, don't need a warehouse, don't need to handle shipping. Your job is to promote products using affiliate links. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage commission from each sale. 2. How to make money with affiliate marketing. There are 3 main steps. Step 1. Choose a reputable affiliate platform. Some popular platforms. Global. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten. Step 2. Select products and create engaging content. If you are on YouTube or TikTok, create review or unboxing videos. If you have a blog or website, write product reviews and how-to guides. If you use Facebook or Instagram, share hot deals and discount codes. Step 3. Get your affiliate link to the right audience. SEO your blog/website to rank on Google. Write optimized content with proper keywords. Promote via YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram to reach more people. Run ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, if you have experience. 3. Benefits and challenges. Benefits. No upfront investment. No worries about unsold stock. Earn passive income. Work once and keep making money, as long as your content generates traffic. Wake up to commissions. Nothing beats the feeling of checking your earnings in the morning. Challenges. Requires patience. You won't make money overnight. Dependent on platform policies. Commission rates can change. Highly competitive. Since many people do it, you need to create unique and engaging content to stand out. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if done right, you can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars per month without managing inventory or handling logistics. 2. What is online content creation? Simply put, you create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, blogs, podcasts, etc. to attract viewers, then make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling products. Examples: YouTube/TikTok. Create entertainment, educational, reaction videos, vlogs, etc. Blog, write reviews, guides, and share experiences. Podcast, share opinions and interview guests. Live stream, play games, chat with viewers, sell products, etc. 3. Ways to make money as a content creator. 1. Earning from ads. Enable YouTube monetization, Google AdSense. Use Facebook ad breaks for long videos. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. 2. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links and earn commissions when someone makes a purchase. Works well on YouTube, blogs, websites, Facebook, etc. 3. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. Brands pay you to promote their products. If you have influence, you can land big sponsorship deals. Why? Selling your own products or services. Sell courses, books, templates, merchandise, etc. Example, if you create design-related content, you can sell presets, fonts, and tutorial guides. 5. Receiving donations from fans. Through YouTube, Super Chat, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, etc. Live stream on Facebook, TikTok, and receive virtual gifts from viewers. Creating online content not only helps you earn money, but also builds your personal brand and opens up bigger opportunities in the future. If you love sharing and want to generate passive income, start today. Top 3, Top 4, Top 5. What could they be? What do you think are the industries holding those spots? Share your thoughts on the MMO market. Making money online is something that most money makers are already doing, each with their own methods. But in the end, it all comes down to the basic fundamentals of this so-called financial freedom career. If you want to earn more money with less effort, I'm sorry to say, but you need to drop that mindset right now and redefine your approach. Making money online isn't about getting rich overnight. It requires strategy, effort, and a clear vision. If you want to learn more about different MMO models, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll create detailed videos on the topics you request. Here's a quote for all the newbies out there. Mastering one skill is better than chasing 9. If you don't start, you'll definitely fail. But if you take action today, who knows? You might just succeed. Keep pushing forward, and I wish you success. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next part, where we uncover Top 3, Top 4, and Top 5.
Please like and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for upcoming clips. Thank you.